Hello, and welcome back to Facebook Mastery. Today we're going to learn how we can create a dark post on your Facebook page. Now first, go to this URL right here. Now this will be the URL. I will put it in the link in the description for you to use it. And after using that URL, you will be presented to this page. Now, to create posts, click here, Create Post, and then put in the URL that you want to put in. For my case, I'll just search for this, Johor Business Network. Now, find the news that you want to put in. I'll just take a random one here. Alright, now grab the URL, copy, and then put in over here. After that, post the text that you want to put in. I'll put news of the day. And for the call to action button, I'll just put learn more. And then click create post. Now, when you're ready to post the news on Facebook, just tick it right here. And then click action. And then click publish. Publish. And you're done. When you go to your Facebook, just refresh it. And as you can see, you've successfully posted from the dark post. Now that's all for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Thank you for watching.